Hello, my name is Partha. I'll be demonstrating the Python network scanner tool that I created. The goal of this program is to scan a target system, detect open ports, identify running services, and display any vulnerable information returned by Nmap. This type of scanning is an important first step in understanding what a system exposed to the network. Before we make decisions about security, we first need to gather information, and this tool helps with that process. The purpose of this project is to take basic network security concepts and turn them into something practical. Rather than relying on theory alone, this tool gives us hands-on experience with scanning techniques. Using Python and Nmap together, we can automate a scan, collect details about services, and even detect potential weakness. My goal was to create something that is simple to run, easy to understand, and helpful for learning how network scanning works. The script begins by importing two main libraries, Nmap and ArcParse. The Nmap, which allows Python to communicate directly with the Nmap engine, and ArcParse, which lets the user enter a target IP or host name on the command line. By using ArcParse, the command becomes more flexible because the user can scan any system they choose without modifying the code. The first major function, scanHost, performs a fast scan. It prints out a message telling the user the quick scan is starting inside the function and nmap.portscanner object is created. The scan uses the following options: fast mode, service and version detection, faster timing. This combination allows the scan to complete quickly while still gathering useful information. After the scan finishes, the program checks whether the target host was found. If it not, it prints the error message and exits. If host is detected, the script prints the host name and then loops through all the protocols that were found, typically TCP. For each open port, the script prints port number, port state, service name, product and version if available. If then checks whether the Nmap returned any vulnerability related script output. If so, it prints the script name and the message. This gives user a quick idea of any possible issues that Nmap detected. Next, the second major function is scan host full, which is designed for deeper analysis. The script clearly warns that the type of scan may take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the target. The scan uses the service and version detection, run vulnerability scripts, faster timing. This means the scan not only gathers service details but also runs Nmap vulnerability test, which may include security warnings or references to known issues. The structure of this function is similar to the quick scan, but the results may be much more detailed because vulnerability output can be very long. The script truncates extremely long line to keep the display readable. At the bottom of the script, the argparse setup allows two modes. Running Python scanner underscore network function performs a quick scan, and running a Python this function with my target IP address with a full performs a full vulnerability scan. This gives a control how to deeply uh, they want to scan. To run a quick scan, I just run the program by providing my IP address as the target. This program quickly checks common ports, reports, open ones, identify services, and print basic ID details. To run a vulnerability scan, I use this program by passing full arguments. As you see, this may take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon open ports, but it includes vulnerability script results, which helps highlight possible weakness that Nmap is able to detect. This concludes my walkthrough of the updated Python network scanner tool. The script provides both fastening and deeper vulnerability scanning, make it useful for learning about what a system exposed on the network. Thanks for watching.